By the end of this video, you will not only fully understand the Cancer archetype, but you will also be able to activate and embody the energy of Cancer that lives in all of us. We are going to talk Cancer essence, energy, traits, rulerships, and even some embodiment practices so you can walk away knowing Cancer on a deep soul level. I'm Alethea, your favorite mystic mentor and astrology nerd. I love offering birth chart readings so I can help my clients connect with their soul and bring their life into alignment with their purpose and with their truth. Truly is one of my greatest joys in life, and if you would love to receive a birth chart reading from me, you can go ahead and click the link in the description box to schedule yours today. Aside from that, let's talk all things Cancer. Cancer is a water sign, meaning they are emotional, very intuitive, in line with their soul, and deeply feeling. They are also a cardinal sign. Cardinal is the beginning of a season. Summer solstice happens in Cancer season. If you're watching this when it comes out, hey, summer solstice is coming right around the corner. Happy solstice, babes, and happy Cancer season. Cardinal signs like to go first. They like to initiate. They like to take action and move forward. That is very much the energy. So with a cardinal water sign, they like to feel things first. They like to really go into those feelings that other signs might feel a little uncomfortable with. They like to dive deep into the intuitive, subconscious, psychic realms. That is the essence of Cancer. They are the mother of the Zodiac sign. They are very nurturing, very caring, very loving. They love to dote. They love to nurture. They love to nourish. That is Cancer. Cancer is also the most feminine of all of the signs, meaning they are very receptive. They are very soft. They are very into that divine feminine energy of feeling, of receiving, of living in their subconscious mind. As we know, the conscious mind is masculine, the subconscious mind is feminine. Cancer is deeply, deeply connected to the subconscious and emotional realms. I would say empaths is very much a Cancerian thing to be an empath. That is a deeply rooted Cancer energy. Also, psychic energy is very Cancer. I feel like Cancer is one of the most psychic of all of the signs. They can pick up on energies that other people may not be able to pick up on because they are so open and they are so receptive. For Cancers, pay attention to your dreams. Your subconscious mind sends you messages in such beautiful, magical ways. Everyone really, but if you want to work with that Cancerian energy, get in deep into that dream world, okay? Cancer is known as the crab. That is their symbol. A hard exterior. They can put up walls and boundaries to protect the beautiful, soft, emotional, open, receptive, gushy inside. Also, like the crab, Cancers tend to grip and to hold on to things, especially people, especially emotions, especially relationships, love interests, children. They can be very gripping and controlling in those situations, just like the crab. And at the core of all of this, it's really just because they love you so much. They love you so much, and that's the way they know how to express their love. Cancer is ruled by the moon, the beautiful, feminine, mystical, magical moon. The moon controls the tides. She's powerful. She is femininity. Feminine cycles are completely aligned to the moon cycles. So really leaning in and talking to the moon, having a great relationship with the moon is a great way to activate that Cancerian energy within all of us. Cancer also rules the 4th house in astrology, which is the house of the home, the house of your family, the house of your roots, your ancestral line, your emotional safety. Cancer rules all of that, which is also why they're kind of like little homebodies. Cancer loves the home. They love to take care of their home. They love to be in their home. They love to care for their families. They love to care for their loved ones. That is Cancer in a nutshell. The tarot card that rules Cancer, and this one stumped me, and it still kind of stumps me, I will not lie. The tarot card that rules Cancer is the Chariot. Now, the Chariot is a card very much about moving forward and persisting and, making success happen through inner strength. It also is a card of like mastery, of one step at a time to receive what you desire to receive. And to be honest, I don't exactly see how the Chariot fits into Cancer energy. If you see that connection, or if you know something that I am missing here, please comment below. I would love to know your interpretation on why the Chariot is the card that rules Cancer. Personally, I think the moon would rule Cancer, but it doesn't. So yeah, let me know, because I'm stumped. Now, let's move on into the energy of Cancer. Cancer is a deep feeler. They are here to feel every single emotion in a very intense and deep level. I would say like melancholy and just like indifference isn't really a Cancerian thing. They feel what they feel and they feel it big. It's very important for a Cancer to be able to feel and express these emotions. Holding them in and pushing them down is not gonna do well for you, baby. You have to feel the emotions as they come up. Allow yourself to cry, allow yourself to get angry in a very healthy way where you can release the anger in a way that serves you. Scream into your pillow, punch your pillow, like somatic shake, do what you have to do to get that energy out. Feeling happy. That's why they're so moody, because they literally are here to feel everything. That is their energy and their essence and their superpower. Don't ever try to tell me that feeling deeply is not a superpower, because it is. Okay? It's so important and so needed in this world, especially where people are indifferent. Cancer can really bring the emotion, that driving force. Oh, I think I just connected the Chariot and Cancer. The driving force to receive and to move things forward is your passion, is your emotion. I just figured it out right here, right now with you. That's amazing. If you have another interpretation though, I would love to hear it. That feeling is really what can move the world forward. Beautiful. All right. They are also very empathetic and psychic, as I touched on earlier. They pick up on things that other people don't pick up on a deep subconscious level, because they are so in tune and so aware. Their subconscious mind is constantly running and picking up and grasping at things and pulling it into their field. It's very important for Cancers to retreat into their shell. They need that little safety net to thrive. They need it because they do feel so much and they do take in so much of other people's energy. It is very, very, very important for Cancer to have a safe place to be and to feel and to release as they need to. They need emotional safety to thrive. That's the truth. Cancers are homebodies. They will always pick a night in their bed compared to a night out around with a lot of buzzy energy and crowds. Completely opposite to the sign that just came before them, Gemini. They're always about going out and socializing. Cancer is about staying in, retreating, and relaxing. They want to be nourished, and they find that safety and that peace and that nourishment in their home. They love a good cozy blanket. They love to set the vibe. They love to feel good in their space. So, if you are a Cancer and you feel bad that your friends are always making fun of you for staying in, just say that you're honoring yourself, okay? That is honoring who you are, and I love that for you. I really do. Cancer also, they're not big on physical activity. That's not their jam. They're not going to be out here running miles. They're really not going to be the one that's hiking to the top of Mount Everest. It's just not their vibe. Like, the Cancer energy likes to be soft. They like to relax. They like to receive. Again, like I said, with that feminine energy, they're not really going out there and doing the action or the physical movement to make things happen. They are more feeling things into movement, feeling the love that carries the movement forward. They're not here to get out there and plant the trees to save the world. They're just feeling the sadness and the pain and the love for the nature that is going to, save the world. Just a silly example, but it's true. Cancer's kind of like a marshmallow. They just want to be and relax and just chill and just have their space to do that. Now that we got into all the energy, the traits, the rulerships, all that technical stuff, let's get into how to work with the energy, to activate the Cancerian energy that lies within all of us. Every single one of us has a little bit of Cancer in their chart, some more than others, but it is within all of us. Here's how to activate and use the energy that lives within you. This Cancer energy activates best through love, spiritual practices, gentle routines, and nourishment. For Cancer, I really love a good meditation practice. Being able to kind of silence your mind and just tune inward and see that you are separate from all your thoughts and all your feelings, and just allow yourself to really center yourself. So important. Love a good meditation for a Cancer. Another great thing is taking ritualistic baths. I'm talking the nicest bath. Get your little crystals, get your candles, set up your little space, your little shell. The bath is the shell. The water is all of your feelings, all of your emotions, all of your love that you have inside of you, and submerge yourself in that water and just be. You don't have to do anything, just feel how good it feels in your body. You can cry in the bath if you want. You can smile in the bath. You can feel love. Just allow yourself to feel as you bathe. Love, love, love that one. I'm also big on mirror work for Cancer. Looking into a mirror is like looking into your soul. The mirror is the portal to your soul. And Cancers really need connection to their soul, because it's who they are. It's what makes them them. All that soulful, intuitive magic, that is Cancer. So seeing it, recognizing it, and being able to be on the same page as your soul is a huge thing. Some of my favorite ways to do mirror work is just to talk to yourself, pour the love that you want to give to your loved ones into yourself. Okay, it's so important that you are fulfilled first with all the love and all the emotion that you have. You need to first fill your cup, or else that love can sometimes be a little unhealthy. So make sure you give yourself the love first. Speak love into yourself, speak kindness into yourself, and then look into your left eye and ask yourself, how can I best nourish myself today? What do I need? And stop and wait for a response. You will receive a response from your body. Now, the key here is to follow through with what came up for you. Follow through, that's where the real magic happens. Love it. Another great practice for Cancer is moon rituals. I bet you didn't see that one coming. Getting in line with the new and the full moons and practicing rituals under each moon is like chef's kiss. Okay, that is such a good way to work with the Cancer energy, to work with the moon, and to really bring things into your life. During the new moon, I love to manifest, to set intentions, to call in what I desire. And during the full moon is when I love to release and to shed what I don't like need anymore, because that's really what life is. It's a balance of releasing and bringing in. Releasing what's not for you, bringing in what is for you. Using the moon to do these rituals is going to change your life. If you don't do moon rituals already, get on it, babe. You're missing out, okay? Come join the club. My life has changed exponentially, and really, I want to owe it all to moon rituals, truly. Lastly, a little journaling prompt for Cancer is to just list all the ways that you can nourish and care for yourself. Make a list of all the things that you love to do, all the ways that you can pour love into yourself, all the ways that you feel true, deep fulfillment and nourishment. Make a list and commit to doing one of those things a week, at least one. You need that self-care Sunday. You need it. It's a requirement here. No, you have to do it, okay? So write out that list, put it somewhere where you can see it, in your planner or something, and schedule that into your calendar every single week. If you love this, I would love to invite you deeper into the energy of all 12 zodiac signs, and even deeper into Cancer as well, with me in my free masterclass, Astro 101 Zodiac Signs. Click the link in the description box below to save your spot. It's gonna be so freaking good. Like this, but more immersive, more interactive, more activating. Okay, the class is going to be held live on June 26th, but don't worry if you can't make it live. I will be sending a replay, so go ahead and RSVP, even if you're not sure if you can make it, but I highly recommend being there live. The energy is going to be out of this world and into the beautiful stars. You will leave Astro 101 Zodiac Edition knowing how to fully embody and activate the energy of all 12 zodiac signs. I'm talking journal prompts, daily practices, activations, and so much more. If you're ready to work with the energy that lives inside of you and the rest of the world, I would love to see you there. Once again, RSVP at the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for diving into the watery depths of Cancer today. I'm so excited to get into the loud and proud, bold and beautiful Leo next week. Be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll be in the comments chatting with you, answering questions, getting to know you a little better. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit like. It helps my channel. It helps me grow and continue to do this and share this magic with you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'll see you soon.